So we got a reading here on the dashboard with the error with the headlights. So with this error, I already know that it's actually the angel eyes, because the angel eyes don't turn on anymore. And when I flick the switch, so I'll show you in this video how to go about replacing the angel eyes on a 2005 BMW X5 e53. I think it's the same process for 2001 to 2006 or 2000 to 2006. So here we go. So the first thing we want to do is get under the hood to gain access to the light bulb. So how you do that is just basically come down here. You will find a lever, this thing here, and just pull that out like so, all the way up. Okay, see that there, and that should release the hood. So we just walk around to the front, and here is another lever for, you need to pull this out. See, as soon as I pull this out, the hood just comes up a little bit, and all you need to do is just hold that and lift up. Okay, I'll just sit there. So to gain access to the angel eyes, you just gotta get over here. Let's see, just make sure you see it. And this box looking thing here, I'm gonna get a flashlight for you guys so you can see better. It's a bit dark. There we go. There it is. See a little tab on the top there? So I'm going to flip this down, and there you go, it just releases. Okay, and then you can actually take this completely out so you don't drop it. So now you have the wires. You just pull this out. Okay, mine has a little crack on it because I've replaced it before. And then this is the bulb itself. Twist counterclockwise. It's a bit hard, but and then you just pull out. So this is the LED one that I had replaced, and this one's burned out. So the cheap ones do burn out after a few months, and you gotta get them replaced. So I have one ordered in the mail, so that's coming in a couple of days. In the meantime, to just get rid of the error from the dashboard, what I'm doing is I'm putting back my stocks. And so these are the halogens, and so yeah, just putting the stocks back in for now until I get my new LED light bulbs. So to do that, again, same process. Take the stock ones and put it in there. So you see there's little knobs around it. You gotta fit that into the holes. Just gotta twist until you get it right. There we go. Push in and twist. So once it's in place, just put that. Just if you're not sure which way it goes in, it's easy to know because you see how one side is rounded and one edge is a 90-degree angle. So match that to the back of that bulb over there. Okay, and just put that in. And there you go, you see the light turn on there. So if you come right up to the front, there you go, the angel eyes are back on and working. So it's not as bright as the LED because of the halogens, but at least I can get rid of the error code. Okay, so we just take that cap back again and just put it into its spot, lock it in, and make it just help it kind of click into space there. Yeah. So on the other side, same thing. I'm gonna get the light. Push this down, pull that out. You're working with pretty low voltage here, so I'm not worried about getting electrocuted, but it's best to turn off the headlights when you're working on the car. So same thing here, just put the light bulb in to its place and twist and turn clockwise to lock it in. It's a little tricky, so just work with it a bit. Make sure you got no wires on the way or anything like that. Looks like I didn't get this one in. Yeah, you guys see the light didn't turn on, so there's probably something wrong with the connection on this one. But yeah, you get the idea. I'm gonna work on this, but this light should turn on because the switch is on. So yeah, and that's about it. Thank you.